So
no,
open
the trap door. Open the trap door.
Miles, when we're doing opening statements,
Where did it go?
Minecraft, but it's a court trial.
Welcome to the court trial of Jimmy. Holy what happened? What? Oh, that's cute.
it still says
That's so cute. Okay.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
Wow. Why is God the Joker?
Because he is.
You represent a lot.
Wait, Miles, right
This
click
is
here.
actually.
Also, don't censor Adam's penis. Come
No,
on.
no, no.
Alright, so,
No,
so
no,
open
open the trap door. Open the trap door.
Miles, when we're doing opening statements,
Where did it go?
Who's Jimmy's lawyer?
Pablo and Anthony. They're the defense team.
that's a strong defense team, not gonna lie.
Yeah,
Go
Pablo's
defense.
pretty. Pablo was pretty convincing. Where
Who's
is
Anthony?
Pablo?
Choose Anthony, that's hard.
He's the cool kid. He's the really
Oh.
awesome
That's a cool kid.
He's an actual lawyer. The judge is Adam's pee.
Penis joke.
Your Honor, Aiden, I'm here on behalf of David and the server to charge Jimmy with using anti-knockback, auto-log, auto-totem, backward sprint, jump boost, auto-aim, and speed hack.
Where are my pills?
Are you lost? Are you lost, little grandma? Who wants
Are you
to?
lost, little boy?
Are you
Take
lost?
my place, please. I
I
can't
need
walk.
to
Have
get
you seen
my.
my pills?
I need to get my
Toby,
holy scepter of Neptune.
Toby,
Have
what?
you seen my
Oh,
pills?
I got it. I got it. I got it. Okay.
Okay, we're good.
Okay. 1 minute.
Have you seen my
A lot of
pills?
people.
Oh dearie.
I got it right here.
I can't breathe
Standing.
without those.
I just hear this
No.
shaking of. You actually have a bottle of pills there, or it's like a bottle of just like Skittles or something. It's your Adderall. Oh yeah. You all like to come outside the building. HRE would like to do a quick sponsorship ad with the air conditioning systems.
The Holy Roman Empire Air Conditioning and Heating is a multi-national organization that promotes quality air and breathing. Now, if you join the HRE Air Conditioning and Heating, you will get premium benefits like free oxygen, as well as air conditioning. Also,
I already have I didn't realize we were
One-
going full capital.
one free meal a week. Okay. Very, very, very reasonable working conditions. Only
Have you seen my pills?
Only
Get this old grandma out of
you
here.
join-
Get out of
everybody
here.
listen. If you join,
I'm very
if you join
cold.
HRE,
I'll be
heating
right
and
back.
air conditioning, we will only force you to do minimal slave labor.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the marvelous, the magnificent, the absolutely sexy
I'll pass
Aiden Marino as today's judge. Woo! Everyone rise. Everyone stand up. Rise for our honorable judge, Aiden Marino. Come on, can I shoot you?
Okay. Hello.
Thank you. Please, everyone.
Oh, Jimmy.
No, that's illegal.
Jim, that's illegal.
Bribery. Can we?
Today's session will be between Shredded Lettuce versus Jimmy. All right. Will the clerk please list all the charges presented against Jimmy?
He's been accused of hacking, and that's really it, right? Rain? Shredded?
Yeah.
That's really it, right?
We'll
He
divulge.
He also
So,
Excuse
he
me.
also-
Can you be wait? Can you be quiet?
What do you
You'll
say?
divulge.
of hacking?
He also what?
he also violated the duel. He logged off.
Yeah. Still, well, that's pretty. Okay.
That's
I'm
actually
not giving my
more of a
opinion.
cultural offense.
But it's
But,
called. Okay, that's fine. All right. So you.
By the way, thank you. Now we will begin with opening statements. Will the prosecution please begin their statement?
Of course. Let me stand up. First, I'd like to
Prosecution,
say
Rain?
thank you, Your Honor, for hearing our case. I am here on behalf of David and the server to charge Jimmy with using not only anti-knockback, but auto-log, auto-totem,
Rain?
backward sprint, jump boost, auto-aim, and speed hacks. My fellow prosecutor is William.
Your Honor, I believe my client is being misfairly judged
Can
and
we-
tried for
can
these
we-
crimes. Even though I know he's had behavioral problems in the past, he is pleading not guilty.
Pleading not guilty. All right. Make sure to log that, clerk. Is that your entire
Also-
statement?
I believe that the evidence against him is quite insufficient.
Well, we haven't gone into evidence just yet. Exhibits haven't been presented. But when you
just
have
a
an
vote.
objection,
Well,
bring that up.
When I'm asking the prosecution if they'd like to present
I
anything.
think the
Then
prosecution's
go right
also gay.
Ooh.
But it is Pride Month, so
It's okay.
That's okay.
that's okay.
Also, please
But only
state
for
any
now.
behavioral problems my client may have during the trial. Please.
All right. So, first of the witness stand, I'd like to call up the first-hand viewer, Shredded Lettuce. Would you please go through the witness stand?
Shredded lettuce. Please state your name for the record.
Shredded lettuce.
How do you spell lettuce? please log that in. Clear. Shredded lettuce.
Okay.
Lettuce. My question to you: would you like to recall your first-hand witness of the events that transpired when you were fighting Jimmy?
Yes. So, I mean, when he first TP'd to me, automatically started hitting me with a bow, which is very sus. I mean, that's a top-notch, that's top-notch killer stuff right there.
Could you further describe automatically hitting you?
We did not believe we asked for your interjection.
I don't believe
Pablo.
that. I believe that I have the right to interject as a
Let me
defendant.
tell you. This is what it looks like.
Judge, everyone be quiet. The judge hits the hammer. Be quiet. Okay.
Order. Defense, you will have the opportunity to interrogate these witnesses as well. So please wait. All right, continue.
Right, so he also, right after I hit him with the totem, you can even see in the video that right after, like split second after I hit him with the totem, you can see through the particles that a new totem appears in his offhand, that is auto totem. You can also see he's jumping, and he jumps for a duration that is longer than 8 minutes without ever refilling his potions.
Alright, thank you. Taking off my jacket, that's right. Alright.
Getting serious, dude.
Professional.
Spicy.
Damn. I'd like to call up William to the stand.
Ooh.
William, please state your name for the record.
Will?
How do you spell Will?
W-I-L-L, I'm correct?
2 L's or 1 L?
There's 2 L's. I'd say.
2 L's?
Objection. That's
Good.
name.
Okay.
I'm actually taking this seriously. Because I might become a lawyer in the future.
That was
Would you take a Minecraft trial seriously?
Order.
I actually want to practice.
Mom, now is not a good time. Please. No, why? Mom, I'm
You tell her it's a lawyer. Your son's becoming a lawyer.
You can call a certain number of recesses
Can you
if you need to.
please?
Pelvy's
Okay.
mom, your son's becoming a lawyer. He's very respected.
Yeah.
We're playing Minecraft politics.
Once again, this court trial is brought to you by Holy Roman Empire Air Conditioning and Heating LLC, the premium sponsorship and manufacturer of air conditioning units around the world. Now, why is air conditioning so important? 1, we all like being comfortable. Let's not deny that. 2, we all also like breathing, and Holy Roman Empire Air Conditioning and Heating is a premium creator of oxygen, pure oxygen.
Imagine O'Hare Air from the Lorax, but in Minecraft. Just imagine how great that would be.
Indeed. Because let's face it, we're running out of oxygen, right? You know, we have deforestation going on all around the world. I mean, it's mainly us, but still, there's deforestation going on. So we need good quality air. And the only provider, literally the only provider of air on the server right now is us. So you should probably buy it. Not gonna lie. Like Anja?
Thank you.
Yeah. Also, if you don't, there might be secret police knocking on your door. So.
FBI, open up! Like I was saying, jury, as you know, Jimmy was in the HRE faction. Now, that's not only the one thing. Being in the HRE faction, Jimmy was always inclined to tell us all his secrets. Of course he was. He was in the greatest faction. Now, being that is, we have ample information regarding the ways he has cheated, hacked, and bamboozled us over and over again.
Jesus.
Now, Will, could you please give us a first-hand testimony of the types of things Jimmy would say or said commonly when talking to us about his hacks?
Well,
Thank you.
first of all, he has been, using hack clients known as Air's Choice, whatever that name is. and he's just saying like, oh, it's not really, it doesn't really like, it's not like hacking, you know, like it's just like an improvement of Minecraft.
You'd almost say, well, it's almost as if you'd say he was trying to find an excuse to hack in the first place.
Yeah.
Now, continue.
And plus, he didn't admit anything. He's like, is that hacking? And he's like, no. He didn't say no. He just like did not, just no comments. He did not say anything. He ignores what we said.
Will, I want to clarify something for the jury and for myself. So he was openly discussing this, yet he never confirmed nor denied it? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, he was just, we know that he was hacking. You can see through the video that what he was doing, but he just doesn't admit that he's hacking.
Pelvis, do you have anything else to add? Any more witnesses?
No. Thank you, Aiden. Thank you, Will. You may return down, Will. We would like to take the opponent's statements.
Well, now the prosecution is going to call up witnesses if they have any. Or not prosecution, defense rather than.
I would like to cross-examine Will.
Very well.
Very well.
Will, please take the stand again.
Please take the stand.
Will, in your discussions with Jimmy about his hacked clients, did he ever give you a specific name of hacked clients? As we know, there are many out there.
Well, yes, he has.
What was the
Can you
name?
please state the name of that hacked client?
Airish Toys.
Can you spell that for me?
Okay.
Please spell that for us.
Say that for the record, please.
They're hard, right?
R.
Or just
Okay, that is enough for me. I don't know how to spell anyways. It's okay.
There's a bunch of hack plans that he have tried out, and such as like what, sitting on a boat and then all of a sudden just flying off into the distance. That's nothing, right? That's totally normal.
Aiden, would you like to allow Rain to speak?
Yes, you can speak.
Rain, what would you like to say, Rain?
I'd like to say objection, and also, listen.
What is
now,
okay?
Now, being the, well, please sit down. Now, you claim, I'd like to talk directly to Alfurious. I'd like to call Alfurious up, please. Anyway, jury, I'd like to point out before the fact out that Alfurious has not seen the video. Now,
I would also like to point out the fact that you did not let us interrupt you, so you cannot interrupt us.
Aiden allowed it.
Yeah, I allowed
it. That is correct.
Wait, but Aiden's not part of the prosecution.
He's the judge!
The judge is biased!
Judge is not biased. I simply...
If he was biased, I would have called...
Isn't the judge part of the HRE?
Order.
Isn't the judge part of the HRE?
The judge is part of the HRE, however, he has not joined
He is
until
defending
recently.
his fellow members.
I call order.
No, the judge can't decide if he's guilty or not. He just decides the punishment, which is basically decided by me.
Yeah, I know. But still, the judge dictates the course of the argument. In any way.
Shake or nod your head for yes or no questions. Wait, what? You said yes, and he's claimed that you're not hacking.
Okay, so he's not hacking. So there you go. You said that Jim would not confirm or deny whether or not he was hacking. He just denied it.
Under the circumstance.
Under what circumstance were you doing?
Under our circumstance, may I add that we were in a casual setting, and there was no pressure to conform to a yes or no question. Therefore, the questionnaire is biased. Simple, really.
I mean, yeah, but also you're a filthy traitor who's betraying Jim's secrets when he was part of your faction.
Filthy but secret does one have to keep. Hacking is despicable, and you think that I could just sit idly by while Jimmy hacked? No. You call the secret disgraceful. How could you share the secret? Oh, how this is not good. What? How did this happen? I'm underneath the floor. Secrets. The secrets Jimmy kept were, in a way, hurtful to the server. Are you implying that even if a question risks the validity of a server, that I should keep it? You think that Jimmy's actions are okay?
That is not what I'm saying. However,
Papa would like to invoke.
however, hey,
Order,
shut up.
order.
However, I would like to make the claim that perhaps Jimmy's hacking was, in fact, even if you were hacking, it's pretty harmless.
Your point is invalid. You just admitted right there and then.
What? I did not admit anything. I said if he were.
Admit he knows his client's hacking, but he denies
hacking is against the rules, no matter what hack.
Evidence that you would like to present.
Okay,
We would
would you
like
like
the
to,
evidence
okay,
to be made.
would you- would you
But this
all like to see the
is
video?
Jim here. All right, do we really want to execute Jim?
I'm not gonna execute Jim.
Jim is a god. Are you really defying Jim right now?
Okay, guys,
Yeah.
we're gonna watch the. Would you like to see the evidence? Everyone, would
Yes.
you like to see the evidence?
Exhibit.
Yeah.
Yes,
Aiden,
please.
do you allow? Do you allow? See the evidence?
If Jim was hacking, would there be console logs as
Yes.
as you are an admin? Would there be console logs?
Yes.
Would there be?
Yep.
Do you have those console logs with you?
Okay, actually,
Yes.
the logs. There's like 20,000 pages of these logs. I can't read through all of it.
Yeah, it's actually.
As Jimmy walks up here and as Lettuce follows him, this is the first instance of knockback resistance, or no knockback taken at all. So, as you'll see, he walks up and he'll turn around, miss, hits Jimmy. Notice no knockback. Hits him again, slight knockback, but Jimmy, there's no knockback. Jimmy, in multiple cases,
I know
does
I'm
not
a
get
defendant,
knocked
but he's also auto jumping. You can see that every single jump he performs is absolutely perfect.
Continue.
Anyway, like I was saying, you'll see multiple occasions where he is getting hit and does not take any knockback. Then, when he gets, as you'll notice, as the video progresses further in, I'll give you the next timestamp, you'll notice that his armor depletes very fast. Do you know why? Armor depleting very fast is a clear sign of anti-knockback. It's a common thing that happens. Then, as you'll see, at approximately 7 minutes, there'll be another instance. This is the most
The 7 minutes you said?
7 minutes, and this will clearly show hacking on Jimmy's part. As you can see, only, what was that, 3 minutes in? 3 more minutes, pants are gone.
Okay.
This fight,
They could have been low,
also,
like close to break.
Also, notice Jimmy is facing towards Lettuce, okay? So account for that fact. Regarding the fact he's facing towards, it's not possible in-game to sprint. Meanwhile, somehow, Jimmy manages to sprint nonetheless. Clearly, evidence of hacking. Anyway,
Oh, which hack? Exactly, which hack?
Yeah, I don't really have a defense for
That
this.
is known
This is
as-
actually clearly
that is known-
hacking.
That is known as backward sprint. Boom. Pause it.
Oh,
As you can see,
He's not even trying to hide it.
Your Honor, I would like to
He is
showcase the defense
zoom-
Order.
Anthony, what? Say it louder. I couldn't hear
I
you.
would like to switch sides.
Okay. Once this evidence is over, we're gonna have a restart.
Yeah, you guys, you can't switch sides. You can just discuss.
Alright.
while we have the
Anyway,
recess,
anyway.
the jury.
Anyway, I'd like to continue because there are more.
No, I'd like to bribe the jury.
And coming up, listen, you are about to see the most atrocious auto totem I have ever seen. Get ready. Pause it.
First totem use.
Pause it. Nope. Go back. Go back 2 frames. Go back a couple frames. I'll go frame by frame in a second.
I can
Go
see
back.
totem activates.
I can
Go.
see.
Go.
When he fell down that hole, there's this hack called fast fall, and when he fell down the hole, you can see how fast he goes on how fast he falls. So it's fast.
What is even
fall.
the point of that hack at that point?
It's help you get away quick, and I think
I
it
mean, I
negates some
guess,
fall
yeah.
damage.
Gosh.
Rain, tell us about your success story with Holy Roman Empire air conditioning.
Of course. Now, listen. Everybody thinks Holy Roman Empire air conditioning. I don't want to sell my soul, but listen, I did, and I don't regret it. Regret it.
What are you, Bugs Bunny?
Now every day, it does require sacrificing a newborn. You know, so you gotta. It is what it is. But let me tell you about the advantages. By joining the Holy Roman Empire air conditioning and heating, I was able contact have free thought. I was able to get a meal a week and a hot one at that. Listen.
Tell them about their humane working conditions.
Listen, let me tell you about the Holy Roman Empire working conditions.
Anthony.
Yeah.
Yeah, Abiel tried to squash you with an anvil but missed.
No, I was
Anyways, we will continue now. The prosecution's up, and then they'll make closing statements, and the jury will decide. Okay. Also, meantime, we like to hear the HRE second halftime show or sponsor or whatever.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Oh, yeah,
no.
second halftime show.
Oh.
Today we are presenting you
So wait.
a master class in AC repair. Okay. Now, Holy Roman Empire AC units are really top of the line.
Like really, I just tell him. I can tell him.
Miles.
Really strong.
Like, dude, like this. If you're in Minecraft right now, I'm actually in Minecraft IRL, and if you're in this room right now, it's like superly perfect temperature, perfect room temperature.
My room's a little too cold.
Despite having 2 doors open, this room is still completely perfect temperature, and despite the current temperature at in the capital, which is in a plains biome, they're typically a bit more humid.
Okay, have you guys ever heard of room temperature? I'm sure you have.
69.99 degrees.
Did you know that the Holy Roman Empire Air Conditioning and Heating Headquarters has the actual room temperature room? Right? Every single room temperature thermostat is based on Holy Roman Empire engineering the room temperature room at our headquarters. Okay? Let that sink in. If you become a premium repairman with us, you get to control the entire, and let this sink in, the entire hotness and coolness of your living room and of your house. All right?
Also, Aiden, we would like to HR on behalf of HRE Heating and Cooling. We would like to know you can't actually get an AC from us. We just
yeah,
you don't how to repair them.
If you wish to purchase an AC, you'll have to put in all your information, you know, your credit card, your social security number, everything. We'll then contact you within 3 to 5 business years.
I think that's a little. That's really fast service, actually. You know, I'm surprised.
Innovation takes time, people. Innovation takes time.
All right.
Side effects of becoming an HRE AC repairman is you may never feel the light of day again.
You're gonna get sent to a gas chamber.
But don't worry, because you'll feel the great sensation of the AC.
Do not worry. The working conditions are so humane. They're just so humane. Miles, I'll just do this while I'm getting in. I'd like to call Miles up to the stand.
All right.
Now, Miles, in your time with spectating Jimmy, have you ever encountered any suspicious behavior?
Yes. About 2 weeks ago, after what was an event, Jimmy was flying backwards on an elytra.
Oh, what happened last week, Miles?
Last week, Jimmy almost crashed the server when using a hack that mined out at least like
nuke.
Yeah, a lot of blocks basically, and the server can use a nuke basically. The server can only take up to about 20,000 blocks or entities at once. He had more than that, and we were down at a usual about 1,000 megabytes of free memory to 50 megabytes of free memory. Our server almost crashed. Besides that, I've also received logs of times when he has hacked. I want my moment to shine because I own the server, and yeah. That's it.
Very well. The
All right,
Holy Roman
defense.
Empire Air Conditioning and Heating values justice. Defense.
Okay.
Statements, please.
What about justice for the workers that you have enslaved in the coal mine?
Oi! Quiet. We'll get to that later. For now, Your Honor.
That's a separate court case.
Your Honor, I am personally asking for the maximum sentence.
Have you seen Chad Warren?
Permanent ban. He will hack again, and he has not learned from his actions in the past. I'm asking for a permanent ban.
Is that on the record, Miles? Is that on the record?
That is on the record. I record every event we have.
New activation.
Oh my God.
I'm asking for a permanent
Miles,
ban.
finally,
Not just from
no,
Your
listen,
Honor,
Judge,
but also from Miles
Judge.
and the entire staff, from the entire admin server staff.
Judge,
We
I would like
can't
to-
allow this shit to happen.
I'm here.
We can't allow
Judge.
this shit to go unpunished.
Judge,
I know.
as a
Don't
final
worry.
closing statement, I would like to call up Jimmy.
Very well. You
Jimmy, I just want to tell you, face to face, you are stinky.
Oh man! Oh my god!
I don't know.
You played it out. Oh my god! Dude, put on the jacket. Everyone put on their jackets. Put on their jackets.
Put on the jacket.
Put on the jacket and be like,
Jacket's on.
and just walk out.
No, that's ridiculous. Why would we permaban Jimmy for hacking?
Because
He's literally. Yeah, I know, but it's not. It's not malicious. It's not malicious.
Yes, it is. He's using it to get an unfair advantage.
The jury has voted.
The jury has voted. What is your unanimous agreement, jury?
We have agreed that Jimmy is guilty of all charges.
Wait, all charges?
Jimmy's a victim of abuse.
All charges proven.
There were many charges.
Help.
What is happening?
Fire. Harold.
Hello?
Well, I'd just like to say this. The Holy Roman Empire air conditioning and heating is appalled by what we've seen today. Truly, this corporation does not like
Aiden?
the abuse.
Jimmy has been found guilty with anti-knockback, auto-log, auto-totem, backward sprint, jump boost, auto-aim, speed hacks, elytra hacks, boat hacks, and what was the last one? Oh, fast fall.
Thank you.
Give him 2 weeks. Maybe even more.
It's going to be more than 2 weeks.
3 weeks?
I think it's going to have to be a month.
Month.
A month ban.
A month.
This is unexcusable.
A month
This is
banishment.
disgusting behavior.
A month banishment.
Very well. The session of Shredded Lettuce versus Jimmy is now
Yeah, that sounds pretty fair.
officially closed and out of
Yep. So Jimmy's sentence will start right now. So on July 7th, 2020, approximately 9:15.
May the bailiff please escort Jimmy out.
Who's the bailiff?
I am.
Stinky.
Come on,
Grandma.
Jim. It's Harold time.